I'm quickly going to explain here how to use the ANOVA in the Google Sheet. Open the Excel sheet. So you can see an extension tab here. Here the add-on is there, so you can add on Excel Miner if you have. If you don't have Excel Miner, you can add on from there. If you already have it, then you don't need to download it again. Okay, so you can see that the data is there, defined there in the yellow part. That is a survey of 10 group of clients in terms of various variables. So you click on extension, then you can see Excel Miner. Once you go there, you only need to click on start. So once you click the start, you will get a proper menu on the right hand side. So click on the start and you got a menu opening at the right hand side of your screen. So you can see the data of 5 variables here. So I have to calculate the ANOVA of that. These 5 variables are different variables like nutritional stress, inactivity stress, and other things. So you only need to now you need to do is click on the down arrow from the right hand side, the ANOVA single factor. So what is the data that you need to calculate? This is the entire table, but the data from where you need to calculate the ANOVA is defined in the yellow patch. So click the data, and once you have clicked the data, you have to define the input range. Just simply click on the input range. So once you have defined the input range, you only have to click on the labels in the first row. So just click check it down, and now you have to define the output range. So I have defined that in J column. So click on the row cell of the J column from where you want to start your data, and simply click in the output range. So once you click on OK, then you can find your entire ANOVA calculation here on the sheet. So this is what your ANOVA calculation of these 5 variables are. You can make a outline of the table so that you can use it in your research paper or any analysis of any research that you are doing. And you can see that the p value here is 0.0652592. that is much below 0.5. So that is a good thing, that shows that there is a significance difference between the variables, because for that your value should be below 0.5. So this value of p here of my data is much below 0.5. So I hope this video was helpful, where you can calculate ANOVA with the given number of variables. The data of the variables are predefined. The data is collected through any questionnaire or any survey, and when you have to check, find the ANOVA for that in order to check the significance of the variables. This is how you can calculate here. Thank you so much.